Hello, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, this schematic is very simple and very basic. It is unity gain follower. As you can see the document, this voltage output is equal voltage input. So voltage out equal voltage in, and we can use this schematic for the times that we want to use the key for the amplification or any other reason for the projects. Here I tried to make this easy project. The IC name is AN741 for Panasonic company or Mitsubishi. As you can see, green wire is pin 3 input, green wire, and brown one connected to the meter. I have 1 voltage source here. I will connect the positive voltage lead to the input, and here is the meter output. This is exactly the input voltage. Very good. For the next test, I will connect the green wire to the positive rail of red one. It means that we connect the positive voltage of input to the pin 3, and what we get here, 11.8 volts. The thing that we connect to the project like this with this wire. Thanks for watching. This is very easy, simple project, but I'm sure this is for buffering also will be very useful. Thanks for watching.